Top 3 reasons why business owners integrate blockchain payments. And here is why you should too. It's very easy to open a blockchain wallet. You just need to download the wallet, create a new account, that's it. You can now accept payments from anyone in the world, in any amount and in any time. It's very efficient compared to this time you spend in the bank, filling out documents, setting up new account, waiting for something, registration, all this thing. And we're not even talking about your request might get delayed, cancelled, or your account might get closed for any reason. And these problems don't exist on blockchain. You just accept and send money. Straightforward, that's it. This video is obviously not financial or legal advice because the laws change from time to time and from country to country. If as a business owner, you want to integrate blockchain payments to your business seamlessly, you can contact our team. We'll review your case and set up the process for you.